Hello. So I'm just going to kind of quickly go through um, the most basic parts of how Emma will access all of her material each day. So the very first thing she's going to do every day is log into the OLS, and that is just the online school system. So when she logs on, hers will say, "Welcome, Emma." This is just a demo account right here, so it says student. And then you'll see across the top of the screen we have some tabs: home, plan, progress, and so on. Every single day, the most important thing for Emma to click on is plan, and she's going to either view her daily or weekly plan. So she'll click one of those, and then her plan will come up. So this is a sample of what Emma's plan looks like. This is Emma's plan for this week. So it has the dates. You'll see Monday, 3/12/2018, which is today, all the way through this Friday. There are two different views here. You can either look at the weekly plan or the daily plan. I like to look at the weekly plan at the beginning of the week just because I think it gives you a nice idea of when you have the required live sessions and what lessons will need completed each day. If this is a bit overwhelming, you can always click daily plan and just look at one day at a time. So here on the daily plan, we have the plan just for today, Monday, March 12th, and you'll see that there are some different sections listed. So up at the top here, we have the Class Connect sessions. These are the live sessions that Emma will attend for her classroom instruction with the teacher and her classmates. Any that say optional beside them are optional sessions that you only need to attend if you have questions. So the help session is a great time to ask questions about things with using the system, questions about lessons, anything really. The lessons that say required beside them are lessons and classes, live classes that Emma is required to attend. So we have our English Language Arts class every day from 10:30 to 11:25. On Mondays, we have our math session all together from 11:30 to 12. And then throughout the week, Emma is assigned to different times for small math group instruction as well. Today, we also have English Language Arts catch-up session. This is for students like Emma who are just falling a little bit behind and need some help catching up. So again, this is a great session to come to get some extra work done. Below that, where it says courses, these are all of the independent lessons that Emma will need to complete with you, her learning coach, throughout the day. So our focus this week is just going to get you and Emma comfortable using the system. And then next week, we can really start kind of catching up and doing some extra lessons. So each of these lessons, math, language arts, and so on, are going to be lessons that Emma's doing outside of these live sessions. So to access those, you simply click the lesson title, and then it'll bring up the lesson. So anything that says Learning Coach Guide will be what you, as the learning coach, her adult at home, will be using to help instruct her with her lesson. So here's an example for composition. So it tells you exactly what you need to do with Emma, what pages you need to read, and so on. So those are really important documents for you to click on in the materials. Just move my screen here. Every lesson will give you a list of steps you need to follow and complete. So you're going to complete everything on each screen. You'll click the arrow on the bottom right to get to the next screen. And again, it'll give you some more information, things that you need to complete or just read sometimes. And at the very end of the lesson, it'll prompt you to mark this lesson complete. You'll click that little checkbox, and it will prompt you to type in the number of minutes it took you, and then you'll also have to put in your learning coach username and password. So just to kind of recap all of that, Emma will log in, click plan, she'll click daily plan, and her plan will come up. So her live class sessions she needs to attend, and then all of the independent lessons that she needs to complete as well.